Good evening, guys. Cesar 16 here with a new pre-analysis for London and New York. I'm gonna go over the higher time frame once again. So the price is currently mitigating this higher time frame range. All right. So these drawings that you guys can see right now represents what the price may do for the whole week in general. So I've been expecting one of those scenarios for the last weeks. So in general, as you guys can see, the price has been dropping after it went inside this higher time frame range, and currently the price is dropping with the structure number 2, which is drawing right here. The price is currently downtrending. Okay, so since we are located in high prices, I'm focused on executing sales in general, but buys are also possible because down here we got ranges that created a break of a structure, and from those ranges we may see reactions to the upside for the short term or for the long term, but most likely I think they are gonna be for the short term. Okay, so I'm expecting the price to drop in general. So in general, I'm expecting the price to drop at least, let me make sure. No, I think, okay, let me go to the 4-hour time frame. I think it would be cleaner. I'm expecting the price to, let's see, okay, let me go to my other chart. So this pre-analysis doesn't turn that long. Okay, so I want the price to at least go to the 50% range. Why? Because the price has been downtrending, all right, and it has been doing the pullback, but after the price broke this high here, it haven't mitigated the 50%. The price has been just standing. So in general, since the price has been just standing, I'm expecting the price to go back down to mitigate the 50% at least before keep going up, or maybe it's gonna keep going a little lower or a little lower, or it's gonna drop completely. Targeting, let me go here into the weekly, targeting this low here, because here we have pretty much the range, initiation, mitigation, continuation, targeting the last low. So we may see that happening overall for that couple, for the next couple years, but that may happen or it won't. Maybe the price wants to mitigate something else. Okay, so I'm gonna go to, okay, let me go here once again. On my other chart, I'm gonna show you guys what the price has been doing in general after it went inside this range. Okay, as I said before, the price has been downtrending with the structure number 2, so I'm gonna show you that now. Let me go to the 30-minute. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the price has been downtrending in general, just like I've been saying. That's why I've been trying to sell in general for the past weeks. The thing is that the setup is being formed on days that I don't trade or out of section, or the price is just too low when my section starts. Okay, so I didn't take anything today, so let me just delete that entry. What difference is this? Oh, okay. Where's my last entry? Oh, my last entry is right here. It was a break even. That's my first entry of July, pretty much. Okay, so the price is not inside this higher time frame range anymore. Okay, so I'm good to take buys in general. The price is dropping. I know that it wants to go down, but we may see some reactions to the upside. Okay, everything depends. And what's the price action? I want to see a reaction to the upside to at least a 50% over the edge, and from those areas the price may drop. Okay, but it may just keep trapping because we may get into a initiation phase in general. Okay, the price is currently dropping. During New York, the price just dropped, so we may be in an initiation phase, or maybe we are not. It's too early to tell, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so maybe if the price manipulate that low and go down here, we may see an opportunity to the upside for the short term or for the long term, but most likely, as I said before, it's gonna be for the short term. So in general, once again, I want the price to go to the 50%, and maybe we may see a setup right there. I don't think that I would take it because we don't have a good range here to play the mitigation. We only have a good range up here, so if the price goes up here, we may see sells in general, or even if it goes a little higher to manipulate this high right there to then reverse back down, showing a good reaction to the a good wick, we may see an opportunity to the downside from up there. Okay, about buys, as I said, after a price manipulate that low and show a reversal, we may see a buy to the upside. Same thing here or same thing here. In general, I would love to sell. Buys are also possible, but the sells are better for sure. But everything depends, as I always say, everything depends on where you are located when your section opens. Okay? Everything depends where you are located. That really matters, and the price action matters as well, because the price may be in my area of interest, but because of the price action, I just won't take anything. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much my pre-analysis. This is pretty much what I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Once again, I want the price to go down at least to mitigate this 50% line right there. Right after that, the price may just keep dropping, or it's gonna start, it's gonna just go back up following the bullish structure that the price has been showing for the past weeks or past few months. So yeah, guys, once again, this is it. Thank you for being here. Have a good one, and I hope that whatever I just explained help you somehow. Okay, take care, guys.